So when you're going to get a Fiskars hole punch for either stickers or buttons on these larger ones, that's usually what I find I'm using them for. You can get the standard size. This is a 3-inch standard Fiskars hole punch in the 3XL. They also, of course, make them in smaller sizes, but this one is what they call the thick one. So it's a little bit different. You unhook it here for storage. They give you this little switch, and you can unhook it, and now you can see you get a much larger fulcrum. It's the same style. You push down on it. You can use all your body weight. There's a nice strong polymer lever here. Pushes down. It's essentially the same cutter that you'd get in the standard one, I think. Maybe it's a little more heavy duty, but it works the same way. There's 2 points of contact that come in and cut. Although there's a bigger channel, as you can see, you have more room to put stuff in there because it's designed to cut through more stuff or thicker stuff. It's still not going to punch through everything. I haven't been able to punch through like Velcro, but I can punch through cardboard, and I've punched through different types of fake leather real easily. Punch a nice circular perfect circle hole. Of course, you can get them in other shapes as well, and with this thick version you still get an identifier for the shape here on the front, but it's really easy to flip it over and see on the bottom what size and shape it's going to be. This one doesn't have the door, but sometimes they have a door here to keep the pieces so they don't get lost. Hope this helps.